Lotshani, ibizo lami ngingulungile Mabhena, unamasoka umntazana wenaleni owakhuliswa manzunza. Namhlanje sike iLensmart isithumele esinye godi isipho sithi-ke sinikhombise ukuthi amabrele ebawaphetheko ngengimaphi. Niyangazi mina ngimfazi ne-elegance, corporate han, office han, ngizele nina, rich aunt, nginike laba. So amabrele la abiza ukuthi iLigia. Angazi ngithi a-maroon nofana a-purple, but somewhere between those two colors. Ngiwoke lana ngizonikhombisa-ke msinyana i-side view yakhona nasike. So akufuna ukuthi unawambetheko lana ungene kuhle mani nge-ofisini, yabo? So ungakhohlwa ukuthi nawusebenzise yami code uzokuthola 15% off. So thengani, ngiyanibawa nibe bahle, nibe ma-rich aunt. Bese nakala wesibili abizwa ngokuthi yi-Eloise. Nani niyazi ukuthi umfazi nakathoma ambatha umbala obukhobe uyaphola bafazi. So la uyawambatha-ke nawo, they are giving elegance, they are giving rich aunt, they are giving, I'm a writer, I'm a published author njengami. So this is your view and this is another side view. Niyabona musuku pinki kuhle. So yeah, ungazitholela nawo amabrele la umube muhle ufane nami nge-15% off. Naso i-link kubayo. Ngithokoze khulu kwamambala niseza nizongisekela. Ngithokoze khulu, ngiyathokoza.